There are moments, quiet ones, when the scale of the universe becomes impossible to ignore. The hum of distant traffic, a sleepless night, a question that refuses to leave. What are you? A doctor, a lawyer, someone lost in the sleepless noise of curiosity, or the sun? Once there was nothing, and then there was everything. 13.8 billion years ago, the universe burst into existence in a thick cosmic soup, every particle burning with energy. The universe itself was too hot to allow structure to exist. The earliest stages of the universe resembled something similar to the inside of a star, an opaque, dense plasma of charged nuclei, protons and electrons, burning at temperatures so hauntingly high that not even the simplest elements like hydrogen or helium could form. Matter existed, but atoms did not. Light itself was trapped. The universe would cook as this impossibly hot sludge for nearly 300,000 years before cooling enough for electrons and nuclei to finally join together. Atoms were born. Light was finally released. That ancient light still travels today. The cosmic microwave background, a fossilized glow of creation itself, and then darkness. The first stars would not appear for another 100 million years. This is the Dark Ages. Gravity waited patiently. Tiny fluctuations in density, barely measurable, began pulling matter together. Clouds collapsed, pressure rose, temperature climbed. And then, the first stars ignited. The universe lit its first candles. Stars. A star is not simply a light in the sky. A star is a furnace where the universe learns chemistry. Inside a star, hydrogen atoms collide so violently that they fuse into helium, releasing unimaginable energy. Fusion, creation through pressure. The denser the star, the denser the elements being forged, dense metals and elements cast in these cosmic forges, ever creating something more until eventually they extinguish or become so dense they collapse under their own gravity. A supernova, one of the most violent events in existence. In that explosion, elements heavier than iron are born. Gold, uranium, calcium. The calcium in your bones, the oxygen in your lungs, the iron in your blood expelled into the cosmos on a journey that will one day lead to you, and left behind from that journey, from that explosion, the corpse of the star. Black hole. Not a monster. Not a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Just gravity taken to its absolute extreme. From far away, you would appear frozen at its edge, the event horizon. Time slowing to a halt. But from your perspective, you fall normally. Stars distort, light bends. The universe ahead compresses into a brilliant ring. And then, nothing. Or maybe, there's something more. Inside, every possible future leads only inward. Physics itself begins to break down. We do not yet know what happens next. And that uncertainty matters, because even now, with all our science, equations and telescopes, the universe still keeps secrets. And it owes us no honesty. And yet we explore anyway. Humans left their planet, walked on the moon, sent robotic explorers beyond the outer planets. Voyagers now drift between stars, carrying golden records, messages from a young civilization hoping someone somewhere might listen. Telescopes look back billions of years, seeing galaxies as they were near the beginning of time. We are mapping the observable universe while standing on a fragile world suspended in darkness. Space exploration is not escapism, it is self-discovery. When we study the cosmos, we study our origin. Every rocket launch is a question asked louder. Every telescope image is proof that curiosity survived evolution. So again, I ask, what are you? A job title, a name, a collection of worries, or something older, something greater. The atoms in your body were assembled across billions of years. Some were born in the first stars. Some traveled interstellar space longer than Earth has existed. Before you were human, you were stellar debris. Before that, plasma. Before that, energy itself. When you look out into the universe looks back at itself. Through your eyes, you are not separate from the cosmos. You are a continuation of it. You are stardust.